Welcome to MK Performance Group, one of the UK's leading names in sports, prestige and quality lower end used cars. With over 25 years in the industry, we're independently run and have a deep passion for performance, luxury and above all, customer care. We're based here at South in the heart of Cheadle Royal, right opposite David Lloyd Leisure Club, and we offer a wide range of cars to suit all budgets and lifestyles. From high performance supercars to quality used cars and everyday drivers, every vehicle is hand-picked and prepped to the highest standard. We operate by appointment only, meaning every customer gets a personal, pressure-free experience. Our goal? To make buying your next car as simple and seamless as shopping online. Browse, finance or buy from the comfort of your own home with delivery or collection in as little as 48 hours. And with part exchange, drive-away insurance, dealer-approved warranty and even vehicle sourcing, we've got you covered every step of the way. We've built our reputation on trust, word of mouth and hundreds of 5-star reviews across Trustpilot, Auto Trader and Google. No pressure, just honest expert advice tailored to you online, by phone or in person. You don't need a massive forecourt to do things right. At MK Performance Group, it's all about integrity, choice and a team that goes the extra mile.